So I'm gonna try some new sounds here, and I wrote these in A flat on the tenor because it's a weaker key for me. So I figured, hey, I'm gonna work on some weaknesses while also playing some new lines and some new sounds. In A flat, we have B flat minor 7 to E flat 7 to A flat major. And so it sounds like this. Here is what I'm gonna do. My sound is based off of the E minor over the E flat 7 chord. So I'm just going up a half step when I get to the 5 chord, playing an E minor, E melodic minor to be specific. This is just a quarter note 2-5 to get my ears wrapped around it and to get your ears wrapped around it. So here's the quarter note 2-5 that I wrote, and then I'll play a line after that. Now that you got that sound in your ear, here's a line that I came up with that is based off of that E minor over the E flat 7. Let me know what you think. More of these to come with these new sounds and different keys. And yeah, it's good to be back playing some 2-5s. Later.